guess what we're doing today, which was unexpected, which really sucks, which is not cool, which I don't want to do because I have other things to do. I have to go to Apple right now because my MacBook Pro doesn't work. What are the odds of it not working? It's so annoying. It like shuts off and it like... That's not what I wanted to do on my Saturday. So I'm going to spend 5 million hours in Apple, even though I scheduled an appointment for tomorrow, but I can't go tomorrow because we're all over the place. I wanted to put tints on my car. I have to stain wood. Girl's got a busy Saturday. Busy weekend. That was not a part of the plan. You were supposed to come through Apple. So, but guess what I just got in the mail from Amazon? And it's 11:25. Jonathan's in the shower. I got out the shower. Oh, come on. Let's see. Do we like? Oh, it's perfect. Yay! Oh my god, it's so perfect. I wanted something very... Yes. Yes, darling. Oh, there's 2 zippers. Let's try it out. But good morning. I hope that your Saturday... I hope your Saturday is amazing or going amazing. Look. It's perfect. I'll link this down below if you're interested in getting a case. This is really nice. Oh, I could just throw it in my bag. Yes, it's perfect. And there's like this, oh yay, look. And then it comes with these straps. Isn't that cool? This I'm giving away. This is like Salvation Army stuff behind me, so don't mind the bags and the sippy cup, which is my niece's. This is perfect. And the cool thing is, later on today, I should be getting another package because I'm getting the, oh, I can clip it this way. Sorry, guys. I should be getting another package because it's, the other cover for it. Wait, hold on, I'll show you. Oh, it's so good. Look at that. So yeah, like I was saying before, I'm getting the skin for the front and the back in green, and it comes later. And this is a perfect case for it. But yeah, so my computer keeps rebooting, and we have to go to Apple right now. So I have to finish getting ready. Ambulance! This sucks. Bye. We finally made it in the car. Jonathan comes outside and he's like, I'm so hot, I have to change. It only took us forever to get here. Does anyone else complain about their spouse taking longer than you? Like that? Usually it should be the woman. Jonathan, he takes longer than me. I don't get it. And he's like, no, I'll be ready in 5 minutes. All I just have to put on sweatpants. Do these shoes look good? He's so cute. But yeah, so we're just in the car. Oh, he didn't even change. Oh, he brought a shirt so he can change. Look at this. You didn't even change.
I grabbed it. I just grabbed the shirt. It's hot.
You should have changed.
What are you talking about me?
You should have changed. But you did put water.
That's your mother's house.
Oh yeah, we gotta go
My
there.
seat's so far back.
That's how you like your seat.
You did that?
No, that's program number 1. You're number 1.
Oh.
Don't program number 2 because I'm 2.
Yes, master.
So of course I did not vlog in Apple, my bad. But it was crazy in there because there were a million people
They don't want to hear
getting
that.
new
They
phone.
want to see it.
See what?
Apple.
But I didn't show you Apple.
You sure don't mention Apple.
But I got my Mac to work or whatever. They exchanged it for a brand new one.
Alright.
I don't even know if the new one works yet, but we're going to Home Goods right now. How about I take out my camera in Home Goods just to make up for not showing you Apple? Is that better?
Don't ask me.
So you spend money and I spend money. Defeat.
This is like my first time. Usually it's only you.
You're right, you're right.
Did you log in there?
poquito. Not really. Okay, I didn't. I didn't like the footage I took, so I probably won't be putting it, but if you see it, woo! But it was nothing, because I was nervous.
You're gonna be the girl that
doing it by myself. Like,
you're gonna be
because it was so packed in there. Like, look at this parking lot. Like, it's nuts.
You're gonna be the girl that's like, tells people about what you do, and then
I'm not.
see you in the car
I'm
afterwards.
not. Don't say that. I'm gonna get over this fear. I have to, because I like it, because it's cool. But bleh, lost my train of thought. Thanks, Dre.
Where am I going?
I don't know. Today I made coffee in the morning, and I think I'm having an anxiety attack all day because of this caffeine. Like, I'm caffeinated up the gazoo, and I feel it in my throat. Even though Kelly is Kelly, I'm speaking third person. I'm always like that though. But Jonathan diagnosed me. He said it's the coffee.
Cafe.
Cafe.
YouTube world.
Oh, cafe. Did you hit up homegirl?
Who's homegirl?
On WhatsApp?
Oh, she hit me back.
She did?
Yeah.
What'd she say?
She hit me back.
So while we were in Mexico, I think I mentioned this in a previous vlog, that Jonathan and I made friends with like everybody at the resort. And this lady, Rosalba, but Rosie. We call her Rosie. She's like, Jonathan, Kelly. Yeah. So we added her on WhatsApp. We were like, what's your WhatsApp so we could send you pictures and stuff. What? What's offensive?
I don't know.
Saying Rosalba.
Everybody's so sensitive.
Her name is so pretty. No, are you kidding me? So I love their accent. Yeah, so we made friends with her on WhatsApp, and she hit Jonathan back. Let's see what she said. What did she say? Anything cool? I miss you.
I forgot, it was in Spanish.
Oh, I can't even read this.
I remember I looked it up on Google to see what it meant.
Oh my gosh. She wrote my name too. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what she said. So Jonathan learned Spanish while we were in Mexico. He's actually pretty good. So they're having a conversation in Spanish. What the heck? Can't read it. Alright, you have the window open. And now no one can hear. I just dropped off my car tinted, and I'm in Nordstrom Rack right now. And aren't these cute? I feel like a lot of people could make fun of them, but clearly I have a leopard obsession. But I actually really like them. Let's see what Jay thinks.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not?
You doing it? Oh, you finally did it in the middle when nobody's looking. Hey, it's me.
Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit.
So that was a success? I'm definitely getting sick, but it's only because Jonathan has the AC on. We're in New York.
How many degrees does it say? I want you to say.
81. It should not be that cold though.
I rest my case.
No. And your seatbelt's not on, honey. This video should be about me complaining. Although when I had the camera rolling, I was not complaining as much. Okay, so round 2. We got the MacBook Pro. This is like, okay, now I can open it in front of the camera because I don't think I did that last time, but hopefully this one works this time. Open the box. Pull her out. Rip this off. Don't break it. Ready, steady. Oh. There we go. Second time around. Oh, while I have you on here and it's loading, let me show you this. So I used to have, well, I got the mirror over there that was there for $7. My mom, I know that looks very poquito. My mom put it over here. The only problem I'm having with it. Oh, okay. All right, hello English. Okay, so the only thing is that sometimes I feel very distorted, you know, like, but it's actually kind of cool here. I like that it's like close to me, like, whoa, you see my whole living room. And then I got this from Home Goods just now, and that replaces my old one that I have. I don't know if you ever remember it, but this was $50 from, oh, it just says Home Goods. I thought it was like some special brand. And I got another package from Amazon, because who doesn't love Amazon? Kelly does. So this is my case, and it's so cute. And if you want to see which one I got, I'll link it down below. Alright, let's see this one. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah. Why am I singing? I don't know. But I'm on my way actually to the hospital. My friend is, well, she gave birth and I'm visiting her baby. She was actually supposed to be born this week, but she came early. So we're gonna go to the hospital. I'm gonna go pick up some balloons to bring her. Uploading a video all morning. Deep conditioned my hair, and I just quickly did my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to put on my shoes. What else? I gotta make sure I'm not forgetting anything. I think we're good. Let's rock. I can't find the perfect basket. This is annoying. Oh my gosh, I am starting to not feel good at all. Just left Michael's and Marshall's looking for a basket or a bin, and I can't find anything. I also went to the hospital, but I didn't film there because the baby is so cute and so little. So I took a ton of pictures for them, like while they were leaving, because I helped them leave. Oh my gosh, the baby's so little, and I can't roll down my windows or anything because of the tent that I have. Look, you can see like the tape. Look, the tape right there and stuff, and then like tissue paper and all that stuff. So I got all around tinted, which is really, really nice. Thank you, honey. Yeah, I just want to be home. I probably shouldn't even went to the hospital because I'm like stuffy, but I think it's just from the AC. It just sucks. Yeah, so yeah, I'm in my car. Alright, let me go. We're ending our night. It's a Sunday night. Got work in the morning. Look at my husband. Little Bobby. How was that, honey?
It's in.
Thanks. It's in there. And then here's my mom again. Right there. Representing Daddy always. Forever and always. I'm just so proud of Jay right now. You do it so easy, honey.
Learn from the best.
You did.
The stock just went up. Gotta start charging them.
Oh. Well, we're gonna hang those right here. We're actually only gonna hang one tonight because it's like 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock at night. So, And then another one up there. And this is just to close out our Sunday, our weekend, and back to work. It's gonna look so good.
Okay, Kelly. So give Jonathan the gun.
Boy, any screws?
Yes, the screws that are in the big bottle with the yellow top. Down on the floor.
Disagree, don't tell me. Now you in infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True numb. Cry and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just wait.
It is up! Mom banged her head on it. But it'll eventually get stained the same color as my table in here.
I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
Alright, Mom, you wanna help me close out today's video?
Good night.
No, come.
Good night. Still a work in progress.
Nah, people be calling Susie Banks. Alright, so we're gonna close this video out. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, subscribe. If you're not, subscribe. If subscribe. Alright, mad people be calling my mama. But I'm gonna close this video out. Have a great week, everybody. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
And subscribe. And gotta go.
Hello, Miss Roos, Kelly Rooster.